Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from this video. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Nation_254 from East Africa, Kenya, and I'm here at home, right here. If you can see from this side, this is my house, the other house there for my mom, and I'm here, guys. I'm about to go to Nyabohanse. And thank you so much, guys, for returning subscriber to coming back to watch my videos as well, and supporting me. I really appreciate for your support, and I feel happy for you. Yes, it has been a long moment, and I'm back, and we'll vlog together. I'm trying to look for this small compound that my mom prepared for this side, and I thank God from the other side. Kales and spinach are growing very fast, and yes, this is me, guys. And today I'm going to bring the door of the house. The door itself is going to come, and the windows are inside. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to start installing the windows and the door. Tomorrow is on Monday. If I will not install tomorrow, I will be there to Royal Kim. Yes, to Royal Kim. And because I need to install, I have for new subscribers, this is my house, open house, and he has 2 windows for the kitchen. Sitting room is here, bedroom, and then the toilet inside. Okay, and this is Nation_254 from East Africa, Kenya. I'm here, guys, and presenting my fellow YouTubers in the village. Wow, it's my small house. The project have been too long, very short, courtesy of my people here supporting me until this time. I really feel happy for you. So guys, I'm thinking of installing. After installing, guys, is sand and cement, and then I will start plastering inside and outside. And after plastering inside and outside, we are thinking of painting. Yes, putting ceiling board, gypsum border, because my house I'm going to put a gypsum. Many of you, I know what I mean when I say gypsum. Yes, that is what I'm thinking of. After that, Nation will start to live inside. I will come out of my mom's house and I will start a new life after that. Guys, yes, the reason why I'm telling you this is that I've been living in my mom's house for long, and I feel to have my own part. Yes, my own life. At least I can come from this side road, coming here at night, enter inside my house, and think my own life. Yes, and we are moving 700. We are still celebrating 700 subscribers. Road to what? 1,000. If you are new here, guys, please consider subscribing. Support me to 1K subscribers. I will really appreciate and enjoy your love. Guys, I've been hanging there for long. So guys, I'm about to reach to Nyabohanse. So guys, give me some minutes, and then guys, I will check you. Stay tuned, guys, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with me, and I'll check you. I want to go to Nyabohanse. After this clip is Sirare to bring the door. Kwaje? Twende boda. This is Nation_254 from East Africa, Kenya. I'm here and I'm heading to Sirare. I'm going to bring the dough. He told me that it's ready for now. But you know what? I can never imagine, because I think if I'm going to get it right now, which means Monday or Tuesday, we're going to fix it, you know. And that is the thing that I think right now. Wow. Okay, guys. Nation_254. I'm here. How are you, bro? Okay. This is the road going to Marwa, going to Sirare. No, this one going to Sirare. Yeah. And this is me here on this side. I've been showing you this road like several, you know. So now I sit down. Guys, this is Sirare border. Tunaingia tu hapo ndani. Unapajua? Hivi. Jina blanki. Kama ni hapa. Someone is calling me. Can you confirm the call? Who is this? So guys, I've reached and I'm here. This is the door now. This is the door. Nyama himself is here. Wow. Woo! Ah! Amazing, man. This is it. This is what I've been looking for long, but I think it's dried up. It's good, everything. Fundi, bari yako? Kwaje? Are you good?
I'm good.
This is the one who is always doing us a magic. This is magic, man. Hii mlango ni nzuri sana. Hata niliwaonyesha design walipenda. Someone is calling me. Hello. Hello. I don't know. Bara. Unasema iko tayari?
Sisi kama imekauka vizuri.
Si vile. I don't know what I want to do, because he was painting right now some minutes ago. So I don't know if I think does not dried up that much. See? So we'll give it time. I think we'll give it time, like some minutes, and then we'll go with it. This is now the door, the steel door. Steel door. It's steel. Okay guys, give me some minutes and then I will check you out. Some minutes. So guys, here we'll put a glass. Such a glass. Going to be okay. Now myself is here. But Guys, this is the first coat. I will come and paint it again with this, the same color. He told me that he was mixing the gray and pink, so he brings this color. What's up, bro? The mnyama himself is there. Are you okay? Okay, can go. So guys, we are leaving Sirare. What do we call it? Unafaa kwa mbele yetu. We call it mnyama himself. Guys, I'm happy. I have the door now. The windows are ready. I'm so happy. So on Tuesday, guys, I'm sorry. Tomorrow I'm going to install. What do we call it? I'm going to install tires for my brother. So, but right now I'm thinking of doing to bring them home, then to arrange myself. Tuesday I'm going to install them. Yes, on Tuesday. Wow. Guys, we are heading home. Guys, this is Nyabohanse. This is Nyabohanse himself. Now we are leaving Nyabohanse. We are going to my village down there. Yeah, because it's some distance from Nyabohanse. It's just some distance. I know all of you guys, you know Nyabohanse very well. Courtesy of Nyabohanse, we are here. We call ourselves content creators, you know. Our door is going now. It's much going. Thank God, because now we are going to think of other things, not even the door himself, but we are going to think on other things. It's not in the door, but we thank God, guys. You know, things are going good. At least we are changing some things. Yes, not too much, but that is it. I feel happy. I feel proud of everything. Yes, yes, yeah. Who knows not? Hello, guys. I'm good, bro. They see me, they call me hello, guys. That is the name they have given me. Hello, guys. They call me hello, guys. Okay, guys. Wow. So give me some minutes, some wings. So it's affecting the voice, but wow. We are heading this way. But you ukitafika hapo kwa miti usimame. Tuishushia hapo. Huwezi pita naye hadi kule chini. I'm speaking Swahili, guys. I'm trying to tell him we'll reach there, the trees will reach there, then I will carry it from there. Can't manage to go with it until down there. Hapo sawa. Huwezi faulu mpaka kule chini. Naishi kwa msitu. I'm living in the forest. No problem. There is a phone here. Disturbing me. Hello. Hello. Kwa kidogo alafu nikupigie. So guys, we have reached. This is the door. So I'm going to remove it from there. And then my home is not a distance from this side. The iron sheet is shining, going there. Not so far, but guys, give me some minutes and then I will check you. So guys, the motorbike can't come from the other side, so they are helping me to hold it until we reach there at my home. And I thank God they tried to help me. You know, the motorbike can't come from there because the trees are a lot of them there, so try to help me go with it. And the distance from my tarmac road. Yeah. Yes, guys, I wish I will have a motorbike, because if I could me, I will use mine. There is a lot of money from just transporting. Someone is telling me just 400 from the other side, but it's okay, guys. You know, I have to do it because we have to do it. So it's okay, guys, but I really appreciate for everything, guys, you are doing for me. And I think you are enjoying the vlog. If you are enjoying, drop the comment there for the hearts. Show me some love there, you know, guys. Yeah. I will enjoy. Yeah, it's okay. I really enjoy even me the vlog. I'm vlogging with the Mnyama himself. Yeah, Mnyama himself. And then this is our house, small house, an open house for me. And simamisha. Yes, this is my house. And wow, twice vibuyu hapa wanaweka hapa. So and finally Mnyama himself is inside. Now we are going to install it. So which means we have the windows and door himself. Yes, you will allow me on Tuesday to start the installation on Tuesday, and I think it will be okay, because I will be there tomorrow to Royal Kim, and I promised him that I will going to finish his work. So I really appreciate, guys, for staying there and enjoying my vlog, supporting me. I really appreciate for your love, and I think it has been a long minutes since the first clip, just you watching, sitting down to watch me. I really appreciate for your love, and for the new subscribers, guys, thank you so much. This is Nation. I do building and lifestyle for sometimes. When I don't build, you will find me doing lifestyle vlogs, you know. And after that, guys, I love you so much. I really appreciate for your love, and I feel your love. Thank you so much, guys. See you for the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Do for me this. Bye bye.